2 times now, Pepper Potts. You've cost me being the World Heavyweight Champion. No more fun and games, Pepper. August 8th in Voorhees, it ain't gonna be a wrestling match. It's gonna be a good old-fashioned street fight. I'm calling you out. August 8th, I'm gonna fuck you up.
The Bulldozer getting right to the point. He's coming after Pepper Potts.